Welcome to Epoch Trades, where we trade the new age. Today we're going to be covering key levels on the higher time frames for CRV. As always, our key level criteria is what we look for: swing highs and swing lows, multiple rejections, acted as support and resistance, drastic moves away, obvious to spot, and recently formed. So let's go ahead and jump right in. The first levels we can plot is our swing high, which is obvious to spot, and we have a swing low, where this is the highest point price reached, and this is the lowest point price reached. So let's go ahead and hop into the weekly. Now, on the weekly time frame, we can see a lot more reversal points. So let's go ahead and plot this key level here. We notice that price comes down and reverses, and we see reactions from long wicks. So let's actually go ahead and draw in a zone. Now, color coordinate it with our time frame. So purple is our weekly time frame. Now we can see price came down, reversed, came back down, reversed drastically. As price came back down, we seen a reaction to the same level, but price just stalled and broke right through, which brings up a key point that these levels do not make automatic reversal points. We are looking for a reaction from the level and confirmation of directional bias. So here we had reactions from these long wicks, followed by a momentum bearish candle, which gave us our directional bias. So what else do we see? Well, we can see a key level right here on the crosshairs. So let's go ahead and plot this on the chart. We see at this key level here multiple reactions as resistance, and we see reactions as support. Now price comes up and we see another resistance. We also notice just above the same level we have another key level. So price gets rejected from this level, and price also gets rejected from this level. As you come over here, we see price is holding this higher level as support. So we have resistance, turn support, turn resistance, with multiple reactions, and it is clear to see on the chart. So that's all our key levels plotted on the chart. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you got some value out of it, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for daily videos like this.